going to show you how to create an invoice in QuickBooks Online. So go to create, select invoice. This is the invoice page. So you have your address, your business address here. Select add customer. If you have already added the customer, if not, you have to select add new. So let's assume you already have the customer, which is Amy. It's Sanctuary. So select this. So the details of the customer will be populated. Yeah, which includes their address. So you have the terms of payments set to 30 by default. So you can decide to adjust it. There are many options, 10 days, 15 days, 60 days, or you can also add more or due or received. There's options to also adjust this. So let's select 15 days. So which will be due on the 18th of February. So let's select the products and services. I'm going to be selecting design. So we have the custom design set and the rate set. Then you have the tax rates. So this is the tax rate selected at 8%. You tell your customer how you want to get paid. So this side of the invoice, you text your bank account details and any other terms you want to make clear based on the agreement with the customer. Next, any other information you want to add. So when you're done, you save the invoice. You can view the PDF and you can also review and send. So you can decide to send it via email or directly through QuickBooks. So this is the total. Sales tax 6%, total of $81. You can also download. So I'm going to download this. So you look, you see how it's going to appear. So download. Open file. So this is the invoice you're going to send to the clients. So you can also have your logo in the invoice. I decided to not add the logo here. So, but if I wanted to add the logo, my logo here. So that's how to create invoice in QuickBooks.